Welcome back to our journey of self-discovery and empowerment. I've got something truly special for you, a guide to transform your life and invite abundance. 1. Practice gratitude. Imagine waking up each day with a heart full of gratitude. It's a game changer. Start your morning by listing the things you're grateful for. Jot them down in a journal, it'll be your daily dose of positivity. 2. Positive spin on negativity. Negative thoughts can sneak in, but here's the trick: intercept them and turn them into positive vibes. Trust me, it's a habit that transforms your outlook on life. 3. Take ownership. Life's full of twists and turns, but taking ownership of your journey is liberating. Avoid the blame game, it's time to be the hero of your story. 4. Embrace abundance. Always believe that good things are around the corner. Embrace the mindset of abundance, it's a magnet for positivity and success. 5. Law of attraction. Remember, like attracts like. Your energy shapes your reality. Do good, receive good, it's that simple. 6. Meditation for manifestation. Take 5 minutes daily to meditate. Visualize your goals and feel the emotions as if you've already achieved them. It's a powerful practice to manifest your desires. 7. Step outside your comfort zone. It's time to break free from the cocoon of comfort. Your dreams are waiting just beyond that zone. Take that leap, you won't regret it. 8. Pursue true happiness. Focus on activities that make your heart sing. When you're genuinely happy, you radiate the energy needed to manifest your deepest desires. 9. Surround yourself with positivity. Say goodbye to the naysayers. Surround yourself with those who uplift you. Positive vibes only, please. 10. Dare to dream. Lastly, never be afraid to dream. The universe has your back. You're supported, you're cherished, and your dreams are within reach. And there you have it, 10 habits to transform your life and invite abundance. Remember, change starts with you. For a special bonus, click the link below to download your free ebook, Choosing Your Niche for Your Online Business. It's a valuable resource to help you on your journey to success. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep shining, keep growing, and keep inviting abundance into your life.